Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the Nernst equation. Nernst equation is the one which relates the cell potential and the concentration of the species involved in an electrochemical reaction. Okay, so let us consider the overall redox reaction is when the X mole of A react with the Y mole of B, it gives the L mole of C and M mole of D. Here A, B are the reactants, C and D product. Okay, so the X mole of A yoda mole enadhu X, Y yoda B yoda mole enadhu Y. சரியா? Then in the X mole of A யும் Y mole of B யும் react பண்ணி நமக்கு வந்து என்ன கிடைக்குது அப்படின்னா L mole of C and the M mole of D. Okay, so let us write the quotient Q is equal to, that means இங்க நம்ம எப்படி எழுதுவோம்னா concentration of the product divided by concentration of the reactant. Okay, so what are the product here? C and D. Okay, so concentration of C power, what's the mole? L. Okay, then concentration of D power mole M divided by concentration of A power L, sorry X, into concentration of B power Y. Okay, this is the reaction quotient. Okay, already we learned the delta G value, isn't it? Delta G is equal to delta G naught minus, plus RT ln Q. Isn't it? Delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q. Okay. And also we know the value delta G. Delta G is equal to minus NFV. In a cell reaction, isn't it? Then delta G naught is equal to minus NFE naught. Okay, so here we have three values, Q values, delta G and delta G naught value. Okay, so shall we apply this value in this equation? So we get delta G is equal to minus NFE. Okay, then delta G naught is equal to minus NFE naught plus RT ln. So Q value concentration of C power L into concentration of D power M divided by concentration of A power X into concentration of B power Y. Okay students, then in this this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2 and equation number 3. Okay, then the equation number 3 divide by equation number 3 divide by NF. Okay, so this is the equation number 3. So equation number 3 divided by NF. Okay, so here you have to cancel this NF and NF and NF. Okay, sorry, equation number 3 divided by minus NF. Okay, so minus NF, minus also cancel, minus also cancel, minus. Okay students, so finally we get E is equal to E naught minus RT ln by NF into concentration of C power L into concentration of D power M divided by concentration of A power X into concentration of V power Y. Okay, so here this value is present in the ln, that is natural logarithm value, so we have to change into log. That means multiplication of 2.303 into log. Okay, therefore E is equal to E naught minus RT, sorry, 2.303 RT by NF, then log concentration of C power L into concentration of D power M divided by concentration of A power X into concentration of B power Y. Okay, this equation is the Nernst equation. Okay. Okay, suppose at 25 degrees Celsius, that means 298 Kelvin, அதாவது 273 plus 25, that is 298 Kelvin. சரியா? So இந்த temperature இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 into இதில் R ஓட வேல்யூ வந்து பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, so R value 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole, temperature 298 Kelvin. Okay, then 1 Faraday பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா 96,500 C per mole. சரியா? ஸோ இந்த வேல்யூவை இதில் சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? E cell is equal to E naught cell minus, ஸோ இதை டோட்டலாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா 0.0591 divided by N log concentration of C power L into concentration of D power M divided by concentration of A power X into concentration of B power Y அப்படின்னு கிடைக்கும். Okay students, this is very important question, Nernst equation. Thank you.